Assalamu alaikum class 6. This is our third lecture of Introduction to Science. Now we will study about the physical quantities and their units. Physical quantities are the quantities which are used to measure the values of certain aspects such as length, mass and times. For example, the quantities which can easily be measurable are known as physical quantities. So as all of you knows that all the quantities are measured in some units. So here the International System Units SI unit system is used as a standard unit by the scientists around the world. Here a table is given for better understanding. For example, physical quantity length and SI unit is meter and the symbol is M. Time is also a physical quantity and the SI unit of time is second. For mass, the SI unit is kilogram, kg is the symbol. Further, temperature is also a physical quantity and the SI unit is Kelvin, which is expressed as K. Now we will study about a physical quantity which is mass. So what is mass? Mass is a measure of amount of matter in an object. Okay, we have a difference between mass and weight as well. So let's look what is weight. So weight is measure of the gravitational force on an object. Now the mass of an object is always constant no matter what the location is, but the weight changes. Weight depends on where the object is in the relation to the earth and it changes. SI unit of mass is kilogram or gram. So SI unit of weight is Newton. Okay, so mass is measured with the help of an electronic balance and weight is measured by spring scale. Now let's study about another physical quantity which is length. Length is the distance between 2 points and it is measured in the unit of centimeter, millimeter, meter, kilometer. Now we have some tools to measure the length. The first one is measuring tape. Caliper. Caliper is divided into external and internal caliper. Now here we have some different measuring instrument for the measurement of different lengths. For example, if you want to measure a straight line, measure it with the help of measuring tape. And now if you want to measure the length of curved line, measure it with the help of a thread and ruler. And if you want to measure the diameter of anything externally or internally, then measure with the internal caliper. Or if you want to measure the diameter of something external, then measure with the help of external caliper. Another physical quantity is volume. So volume is basically the total space occupied by an object and the units are milliliter, centimeter cube, liter. For measuring the volume of a liquid, we have two types. First one is fixed volume and the second one is variable volume. Now, pipette volumetric flasks are used to measure the volume accurately up to 5, 10, 25, 50 and 100 ml. Here, measuring cylinder and burets are used to measure any volume ranging from 0.5 cm cube to 100 cm cube. I hope so this will be clear to you. Jazakumullahu khairan.